Hey guys, just real quick, I just want to show you guys what we're doing. We got these power beams. We're starting to ship. You can see these trucks right here. You see these trucks. You got that stretch trailer. These are power beams that we're shipping out. We got hundreds of these that we're doing. Shipping them out. Can't remember how many loads they're doing. They're doing like, can't remember if it was 20, 30 loads a day. Check out this truck, man. Check out that truck, man. That's a nice truck. We've been doing a whole bunch of loads a day. It could only take 3 beams. They're pretty big, pretty long. I'll show you real quick. We still got a few stacks over here. Still got a lot to go, but we did these quite a bit. Quite a while ago. They've been sitting here, but we're starting to ship. We got Jose and Alex are loading them. I'll show you the type of forklift we're doing, or we're using. But show you real quick. See all these beams we got here? Still got quite a bit to do or ship. Down here we got another stack. I'll show you close up. I showed another video when, I don't know if you guys remember, if you watched the video where we're fitting up and welding these beams. That's what they are. They're power beams that go on the ground. Here's another stack. There's still a lot to go. These things are pretty big. Yeah, man, but those trucks, they've been taking loads and loads. They go drop them off, come back, load them again, and off they go. Here's another smaller stack. But yeah, guys, this is what we're doing right now. Hope you guys enjoy seeing those trucks. Those guys are good drivers, man. I don't know how they do it. Making it on those tight turns, small, narrow streets. But they know what they're doing, man. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you.